The future is borderless, and that future is here.
I've got the Vivo Nex.
The fully bezel-less phone.
No notch, no obstructions of any kind. There's what your full screen display looks like.
It is like just holding a window into something.
The screen is 6.59 inches. Snapdragon 845.
8 gigabytes of RAM,
128 gigs of storage,
and a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. This is a full flagship from Vivo. The front-facing camera, where is that? Slides up and down whenever it's needed and makes this noise in the process.
So it is a dual lens setup with a flash underneath.
12 megapixel primary and 5 megapixels. Our bezel-less future has finally arrived.